Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a tea recipe for fighting the flu. When you're battling a fever, chills, body aches, and a sore throat, this soothing tea can help ease your discomfort and encourage your body to sweat out the fever. This tea is a comforting way to help your body recover while you rest. The recipe makes 14 servings. What you'll need is a 1/4 cup of dried echinacea leaves and flowers, a 1/4 cup of crushed dried rose hips, 2 tablespoons of dried peppermint, 2 tablespoons of dried elderflower, 1 tablespoon of chopped dried cinnamon bark, cinnamon chips, and 1 tablespoon of dried yarrow. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the echinacea, rose hips, peppermint, elderflower, cinnamon, and yarrow. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container. Label it with the date, ingredients, and directions for use. Step 2. Prepare the tea. Place 1 rounded teaspoon of the tea blend in an infuser and lower it into a mug of boiling water. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. Strain and enjoy. Remove the infuser and compost the used herbs. Step 4. Drink. Sip 1 cup of tea every few hours as needed. Step 5. Store. Keep the tea blend in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. It will stay fresh for up to 1 year. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, show you the way to live life better day by day.